Alright guys, so on a little bit of a mission today. I have this workspace, it's not really that clean right now. I need to get this whiteboard on top of here, move all this stuff over there. I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get the right tools. I'm not a planner, but I need to become one if I want to get stuff done. First step for me is feng shui. Setting up my workspace so I can be the most efficient. What's up world, and welcome to another week. On this channel you can expect to see weekly vlogs on filmmaking, fitness, and music. If you like any of those things, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. So it turns out releasing on Monday is really hard for me. Monday is my busiest day of the week. Why did I pick it? I have no idea. It was more of like a shot in the dark. Let's try this and see if it works. And it obviously doesn't. So I gotta change it. Fridays are my easiest day, so we're going with Fridays. So today I want to talk about turning your dream into a reality. I want to preface this by saying I'm on this journey myself. I have not arrived, for I foresee this being a long journey ahead. But baby steps. I'm a firm believer that if you're passionate about something, there is a reason and a purpose that you have that passion. And I believe that you were meant to change people's lives with whatever it is that you're passionate about. Many people neglect their dreams because of fear. They might say, I'm not gonna be successful. I don't know how I'd get started. There's so many people that are much more talented than I am. Well, I'll tell you right off the bat, nobody can be a better you than you. So in that regard, you're already more talented than they are. The world needs more originality, not a copy. To you, your dreams might seem lofty or even unobtainable, but no dream is ever accomplished overnight. It takes hard work and effort. And I'm here to tell you, you won't know until you try it. Try attempting your dream, your goals, your passions, and find out what happens. Just to be transparent with you guys, since I was about 14 years old, my dream has been to impact people's lives with storytelling and filmmaking. So I started making these videos. I am nowhere near where I want to be, but it's a start. All right guys, so I want to give you 3 baby steps that you can implement today to turn your dreams into a reality. Number 1, set a specific and attainable goal. Keywords, specific and attainable. Goals help you see the finish line. It gives you a target that you can aim for. It's important to set specific goals because otherwise you might veer off and lose sight. Number 2, set a definitive deadline. And trust me, I hate deadlines, but they're so critical. Without a definitive end, it just makes it easier to procrastinate to a tomorrow that never comes. Finally, number 3, break the goal up into small, actionable tasks. Look, the reality is your goals won't come to fruition unless you work on them. So if you set small, actionable tasks every day, slowly but surely you'll see yourself chipping away at your goal. In the book Great by Choice, author Jim Collins talks about a story of 2 explorers, Amundsen and Scott, who set out on an expedition race to reach the South Pole for the first time. Both explorers had 2 totally different strategies. Scott's strategy was to go as far as he could on the good weather days and conserve his energy on the bad days, so that he can go farther when things cleared up. On the flip side, Amundsen's strategy was to go a consistent 20 miles no matter the condition. Now you'd think that Scott's strategy would make his team more efficient, but it was Amundsen's team that succeeded and got to the South Pole first. Yep. It was probably because of his dope fur coat. Actually, it was definitely because of his dope fur coat. Come on, Scotty. What were you thinking? So that being said, when it comes to attacking your goals, if you're consistent, slowly but surely you'll be devouring your goals like you are a hungry lion that hasn't eaten for 10 days. That sounded a lot cooler in my head. Chiseling away at your goals, sculpting a masterpiece that is your dreams. Ha ha! You can call yourself a modern day Michelangelo. There are a ton of tools out there that can help you chisel away at that masterpiece. One of them that I want to highlight to you today is actually a gift that I just got called the Self Journal by the company Best Self. That is a very descriptive but encouraging company name. I am not getting paid to say this. As I said, I just got this as a gift, so I'm excited to try it out. This is the actual book. It comes in several different colors. I think you can get it in gray, blue, yeah, just gray gray and blue. Correction, charcoal and navy. Everything I just talked about is encapsulated in this journal. And so far from what I read, I really like this system. It helps translate your dreams into attainable goals that you can achieve in a 13-week time period. So at first glance, there's a couple things that I really liked about this journal. It looks like it helps create consistency and develop good habits. It also emphasizes the power of positivity, keeping a positive mindset by focusing on gratitude in the morning and your daily wins at night before you go to bed. There's also a clear path to success. Essentially how the journal works is it takes your high-level goals, breaks them down into weekly milestones, and then again into daily actionable tasks, making it easier to see the finish line. I obviously can't give you a full review of this right now, but I am starting my 13 weeks on April 2nd. I think it'll be really cool to include the journal into my weekly vlogs so you guys can see and kind of track my progress. So I already know 2 of my goals, still thinking about the 3rd one. My first goal is to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube by the end of the 13 weeks. Second goal is to lose 30 pounds. At the end of those 13 weeks, I'll give you a full review of what I thought, how it worked, the good, the bad, everything. The package deal product review. If you guys are interested in purchasing the self-journal, I put a link in the description below. At this moment in time, I think it's about $35. That's a great deal for a planner. Go ahead and click it, purchase it today, or you can let me be your lab rat. Wait till I do my review until you make the move. Pull the trigger, put it in your push buy. Guys, I hope that was helpful, encouraging, motivating. If you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and I will catch you guys next week. Cue the inspirational drone footage.